Hi, I'm Poto and I'm the local Member of Parliament for Christchurch East. I've been really fortunate to be part of the New Brighton Collective. That's a collective of community organisations which had started builds for community facilities, and they just needed a little bit of pūtea from the shovel-ready projects to get them completed. As you can see behind me, the facilities are well used by our community. They've provided jobs and they've provided great community facilities. What's been wonderful about this is that these groups got together and actually made this happen, because individually we would not have been successful. But one of the things that's not really known about New Brighton is how well we work together as a group. We have a common cause to provide jobs and build facilities for our community, and we came together as a collective, and I've been very lucky to be a small part of that. I've been really grateful to have your support to be the local Member of Parliament, and I hope that you'll continue to support me through this election and into the coming term. Thank you so much for letting me be part of your community.